Good morning, middle schoolers. Do you recognize this guy, Siddhartha Gautama, the historical Buddha? He was a man who lived in the 5th and 4th centuries before the Common Era in India, and he helped his followers understand that suffering exists. Well, they already knew that, being human and all. But more than that, that the cause of suffering is this false belief that we're all separate. This misunderstanding about the interconnected nature of the world, of the universe. And I've been thinking a lot about Buddhism over this period of stay at home because it's easy to get trapped in this notion of isolation, to believe that we are separate, because we don't know when will we see each other again in person. When will we see our family members who we're not able to visit with right now? When will we be back at One Lyman Circle? And when will we even know the answers to these questions? But I've been thinking too, especially after yesterday, the first day of school at home, how lucky we are to be connected in our Laurel community, and how happy people seem to be back together in classes with a common purpose again, to be enjoying the connection of our Laurel community in real time. So I hope you can remember in those moments when you're feeling isolated, when you're wondering what will become of this strange moment in history. And you'll bear in mind that we are all connected. We're connected together, albeit through our screens, but also through our Laurel community. Have a good second day of school at home.